Good morning. Yes, we're still seeing some light snow falling and a winter storm yesterday across the area. Most of us ending up with about 7 to 11 inches of snow. So it was a big one, and some snow showers still linger in the area as the system is trying to push out of here. But if you saw from that live shot, most of our side roads and some of the highways, they're all just wet at this point. So there will be still some slick spots here and there, but crews are doing a good job at clearing out some of our roads. So tomorrow we have another round of snow coming in right in time for the afternoon and evening commute. So we're expecting another 1 to 3 inches of snow. 20s here on Tuesday. Temperatures on Tuesday expected to be into the 20s. Okay, take a look. These are some of the snow totals we've seen so far. Wadsworth now at 11 inches. Hoffman Estates at 10. Palatine 10.1. Skokie also at 10. Valparaiso at 10. Elgin 9.8. So a lot of 9s and 10s out there from this snowstorm. So I do think that as we go through the day today, we will see that snow slowly ending. 28 degrees right now at O'Hare, a west wind at 15. That's giving us that wind chill at 17. Gusts right now anywhere from about 25 to 35. And so we do have blowing snow in open fields that kind of goes back onto the road. So that's what I mean. You want to watch out for some slick spots because of that. Right now, a look at radar to show you we're seeing this little burst of snow moving through the area right now. This was supposed to move over the lake, but it is over us right now, and that's why we continue to see some of that snow. I'll zoom in a little bit closer here to show you that Schaumburg is seeing some snow, and we're seeing it near O'Hare as well. Wilmette down through Chicago. Naperville getting a good little burst as well. Worth as well. A lot of Will County is starting to see some of this snow move in right now. Joliet seeing some of that snow, and again, expecting to get an additional about ½ inch from this point on. So tomorrow, this is what we're expecting in the afternoon and in through the overnight hours, about 1 to 2 inches across the area. The GFS is showing closer 1 to 3. So I think in general, most of us end up with 1 to 2 inches of snow tomorrow, with some isolated spots getting closer to 3. We'll talk about the timeline here. As we go through this afternoon, there still could be some lake effect snow as we head into Michigan and parts of Northwest Indiana. There is still that chance. Notice by 8 p.m. that most of this is ending. Then as we head into tomorrow, we're looking at the morning hours to start off in the teens and low 20s, and then eventually that snow starts to move into the area. Between 2 and 3 p.m. it starts to move in. By 4 o'clock, it looks like most of the area will be seeing light to moderate snow. We will be accumulating snow from about 3 p.m. all the way through about 11 p.m. and in that time frame we are expecting to get 1 to 3, and it's falling throughout the afternoon and evening commute. So that's why we're thinking it's going to be a higher impact than, 1 to 3 is not that much compared to what we just saw, but it's going to be falling throughout the afternoon and evening commute here, and then it's out of here by about midnight. And then Tuesday morning, I do think that we are dry. It's just cold out there. It stays cold through the rest of the week. A look at your 7-day forecast to show you that 20s Tuesday and Wednesday, teens for our highs on Thursday. Then we end the week on Friday with highs in the low 30s.